Well, because it's very common in the legal community that you have these silos that you operate in where someone might be a contract attorney, but then they have to turn it over to someone else who's a litigator. That doesn't happen inside your firm. You're handling it from A to Z.
Anything,
franchise,
all aspects of the relationship in the franchise world, distributorship world, licensing world, dealership world, we handle from the very, very beginning to the very end, whether it be from the point of engaging in the drafting of the agreement or the review and analysis of an agreement that's already been presented to us, to the point of negotiating that agreement, to helping the franchisee get in the business in terms of the operational aspects of the business, as well as the possible sale of that business at some point, or the expiration of the business and what happens then, or if there's some kind of dispute that arises throughout that process between the franchisee and the franchisor, we will either participate in the business negotiation and resolution, or a mediation, or an arbitration, or litigation. Our law firm is known for being consummate, extraordinarily good trial lawyers. We are trial lawyers. There's a lot of litigators that are not trial lawyers. Now, the other big asset that we have, it is also very rare, is when you have lawyers that are very good in the legal profession, but do not have the requisite financial, accounting, and economic background that is necessary in order to evaluate a legal dispute.
They have to rely on someone outside of the organization.
And that becomes very, very difficult, and it's very consequential to the client, because a lot of times lawyers give legal advice in a vacuum.
Sure.
And business people give business advice in a vacuum.
Right.
I'm in the unique situation of recognizing that whenever I give legal advice, I evaluate and assess what is the business consequence that will arise from providing that legal advice. Likewise, because I can't escape the fact that I have a very strong financial accounting and economics background, I commonly share business advice with my clients, but recognize that as I do so, I have to keep it within the confines of the law to make sure that a wonderful business decision does not create a violation of law. It is that balance that puts us in a very unique position to be the best providers of advice to our clients.